Welcome students. Video on third unit crossing and endorsement of checks. Learning objectives. The students will understand the crossing of check. Session outcome. Who can cross the check? Holder and holder in due. Who can cross a check? A check may be crossed by any of the following. Number 1. The drawer of the check. Check may be crossed generally or specifically by the drawer. It is known as crossing before issue. So, account holder or drawer can cross. The holder of the check. So, the person who holds the check, he can cross a check. Where the check is issued uncrossed, it may be crossed generally or specially by its holder. ಸೊ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಚೆಕ್ ಇದೆನೋ ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೋ ಅವರು ಓಪನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. The banker, where the check is crossed specifically in favor of a particular banker, he may again cross it specifically to another banker through his agent for collection. ತನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಚೆಕ್ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ರೇಖಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರನು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಭಾರಿಗೆ ಪುನಃ ವಿಶೇಷ ರೇಖಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ವಸೂಲಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಳಿಸಬಹುದು. ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ means crossing specially to more than one banker. Whenever a collecting banker has no branch of his in the collecting place, he can write the name of the other bank situated in that place. It is known as a double crossing. Andre double crossing means it is not two times crossed. Andre whenever a collecting banker, ignore paying banker, collecting banker antirtare. Collecting banker, say for example State Bank of India is a collecting banker. Small village alli SBI branch irodilla. He has no branch of his in the collecting place. Collecting place is a small village. Assume that a small village. The name of the village is he can write the name of the other bank situated in that. Then holder, the person who is legally entitled to the position of the instrument in his own name and to receive the amount thereof is called as a holder. ನೋಡಿ holder, ಧಾರಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು? The person who is legally entitled to the position of the instrument in his own name and to receive the amount thereof is called as a holder. For example, I will take the example to explain this. Account holder is A. Assume that he has written a check paid to B and it is given to B. Now account holder is A. He has written check paid to B, amount 10,000, all the things, date, everything written and given to B. So B is a holder. He is legally entitled to get the value of the check. But B lost the check, and now it is in the hands of C. Is it C is a holder? No, C is not a holder. C hatra check irbodu, but legally he is not the person to receive the value of the check. So thereby, a person who is legally entitled to receive the value of the check is called as a holder. Section 8 of the Indian Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881 defines the term holder as a person entitled in his own name to the possession thereof to receive or recover the amount due thereon from the parties thereto. Then, holder in due course, Kramanugata Dharaka. Section 9 of the Indian Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881 defines a holder in due course means any person who, for consideration, becomes the possessor of a promissory note, bill of exchange, check, if payable. So the bearer or the payee or the endorsee thereof, if payable to the order before the amount mentioned in it becomes payable, and without having sufficient cause to believe that any defect exercised in the title of the person from whom he derived. Next, essential condition for holder in due course. The following conditions are to be satisfied to become a holder in due course. He must be a holder for valuable consideration. ಅವನು ಪರಿಶೀಲನಾ ಯೋಗ್ಯದ ಧಾರಕನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. Number 2. He must obtain the possession of the instrument before the date of maturity. That means the instrument should have been acquired within a reasonable time and before maturity. Third one, he must have become a holder of the negotiable instrument in good faith. ಅವನು ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆಯಾಗಬಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ಕಿನ ಧಾರಕನಾಗುವುದು ಸದ್ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಗಬೇಕು. The instrument should be regular and complete. It should be a regular one and it should be a privileges of holder in due course. He gets a better title of the instrument. All the parties are liable. No effect of conditional delivery. Rights are not affected in case of an incomplete instrument. MCQs. Number 1. The checks may be crossed by the drawer. Answer. Two answers. A true, B false. Answer is A. Number 2, where a check is issued uncrossed, it may be crossed generally or specially by its 4 answers given are A holder, B owner, C both A and B, D none of the above. Answer is dash crossing means crossing specially to more than one banker. A single, B double, C half, D none of the above. Answer is B. The holder defines under section 4 answers. Section A, section 5, B, section 6, C, section 8, D, section 9. Answer is C, section 8.